Welcome to this 10-minute morning meditation with Stoicism. My name is Barbara, and I will guide you through this beautiful meditation. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, with your back straight but relaxed. Rest your hands gently on your lap. Close your eyes and take a moment to settle into this space, knowing this time is for you. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment and then exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Repeat this 2 more times. Inhale deeply, hold, and exhale fully. And once again, inhale deeply, hold, and exhale, letting go. As you breathe, notice the air moving through you, grounding you in this present moment. The Stoics remind us to start each day with intention. As Marcus Aurelius said, "When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, to love." Let this breath anchor you in that privilege. Moving on to body awareness. Shift your attention to your body. Notice the points of contact with the chair or floor. The weight of your body grounded in this moment. Scan gently from head to toe. Feel your shoulders soften, your arms relax, your chest open, and your legs at ease. If you notice tension, don't fight it, just observe it. The Stoics teach us to accept things as they are, not as we wish them to be. This body, with its sensations, is your vessel for today's challenges. Meet it with calm acceptance. Focus on what's in your control. Now bring to mind the day ahead. Picture the tasks, interactions, or challenges that may arise. As you do so, reflect on the Stoic philosophy of control others are not, like external events, the opinions of others, or unforeseen obstacles. Silently affirm to yourself, I will focus only on what I can control. I will let go of what I cannot. Imagine yourself moving through the day with purpose, responding to each moment with clarity and composure. As Epictetus advised, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Take a slow breath in. As you exhale, release any urge to control what lies beyond you. Moving on to gratitude and perspective. Shift your focus to gratitude, a cornerstone of Stoic practice. Seneca reminds us we suffer more in imagination than in reality. Counter this by grounding yourself in what is real and good. Bring to mind one thing you're grateful for today. It could be as simple as this moment of quiet, the warmth of the morning, or the opportunity to act with virtue. Hold this in your heart, feeling its weight. Expand your perspective and picture yourself from above, a small figure in this vast universe, part of an interconnected whole. Your worries, your joys are fleeting in the grand scope of time. This perspective frees you to act with courage and kindness, unburdened by trivial concerns. Now it's time to set our intention. As you prepare to move into your day, choose one virtue to guide you. Perhaps courage to face challenges, wisdom to make sound choices, or justice to treat others fairly. Silently say to yourself, today I will embody your chosen virtue. I will meet each moment with clarity and purpose. Visualize yourself living this virtue through small, deliberate actions. See yourself pausing before reacting, choosing patience over frustration, or offering kindness when it's needed. Return to your breath. Take 3 slow, deep breaths. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. With each exhale, feel Aurelius once more. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Let this guide you. Whenever you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your body. Open your eyes if they were closed, and take a moment to sit into this space before rising. Carry this stoic clarity with you as you begin your day. Thank you for sharing this wonderful practice with me.